Rayhan Cadiz. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Okay, so si Rayhan Cadiz, nakuha natin siya sa marketplace as usual. And the price is around 1,200 pesos. Okay, so in terms of the presentation, ang ganda ng kanyang box as usual. Sa Rayhan natin, wala pa tayong nakitang hindi magandang box. And this one, the box is mostly blue. Tapos meron siyang mga parang mga glass na design, parang sa simbahan. And nakalagay dito Cadiz and Rayhan sa ilalim, o the perfume concentration. May Rayhan branding sa ibabaw, same as sa likod. And ganun din ang kanyang design sa likod. Of course, sa ilalim meron tayong batch code and as well as barcode and some other details of the perfume itself. So before we open the box, let's go ahead and check on kung ano yung main accords niya at saka yung notes niya from Fragrantica. So from Fragrantica, according to the site, it says main accords would be vanilla, warm spicy, powdery, amber, woody, aromatic, fresh spicy, rose, musky, and sweet. Okay, and then in terms of the notes, top notes would be cumin, cardamom, rose, artemisia, orris. That's for the middle notes actually. Base notes would be vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood, amber, musk, and patchouli. Okay. So, actually, I was hesitant to get this perfume kasi nga nakita ko yung kagad ang unang note niya from Fragrantica is cumin and cardamom. So, parang, alam mo yun, ang cumin kasi is associated sa parang amoy na pagkain na pwede rin amoy putok. Ayun. So, I was kind of hesitant nung binili ko to. So, yeah. So, bigyan natin ng first impression ngayon. Labas natin yung bote. I really like the bottle of Rayhan. Okay. Kita nyo, ganun din yung design niya. Ang ganda. Parang glass talaga siya na, though it's made of glass, alam niyo yung parang nilalagay sa mga windows sa simbahan. Yun yung kanyang design. Tapos meron siyang Cadiz dito. And then, of course, I don't know if these are characters ng ating branding ng mga perfume sa Middle East. Okay? And then, of course, may Rayhan font or text sa gilid, same as the other side. Okay? So, ang kanyang cap naman is chrome or silver, same as with the atomizer. So, let's do 2 sprays. Actually, sorry, I forgot to mention, it's a magnetic cap. Okay, so far, ang ganda ng kanyang pagkakakapit dun sa atomizer ng cap sa kanang bote. So, I wouldn't suggest that you do this, pero ang tibay ng magnet niya. Ganda. For 1,200 pesos na perfume, ang ganda ng kanyang packaging at sa kanyang bote overall. Galing. Doon ako saludo sa mga ating Middle Eastern perfumes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 2 sprays on our wrist. Ganda ng buga as usual. Tama-tama yung volume at saka yung kanyang spread. Goods na goods tayo dyan. Okay, so amoy natin. Alam mo yon, naamoy mo kagad yung rose, hindi yung cumin. May konting cumin na amoy, pero naamoy mo rin yung vanilla and yung kanyang citrus na amoy. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing yung citrus na amoy na yan, pero it smells like citrus na orange na parang yun. Yun yung amoy niya. I don't know paano niya nakuha yung gano'n, pero may musk din siya. Naamoy mo yung musk. Okay, so this one would be perfume na you can use mostly at night and cold weather. Okay, kasi nga meron siyang amoy na cumin. Makes it a little warm. Alright, for me. I think na babagay siya talaga sa cold weather and as well as mga date night out. Kasi medyo amoy nga yung cumin niya. Hindi siya yung amoy na putok na cumin. Amoy pa rin siya na mabangong pabango. Okay, so there. And by the way, this is a dupe of Valentino V, which was discontinued a few years back. So at least kung meron ka experience with Valentino V, at least maamoy mo siya ulit. with this perfume. Okay, so same as with our other first impressions video, we'll go ahead and test out this perfume in terms of its performance, projection, sillage, and as well as longevity sa ating next video. Okay, so if you have any questions, any suggestions of perfumes that you'd like for me to review or compare, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!